Please confirm if you can see my screen and if you can hear me. Hello, please confirm if you can hear my voice.
Yes, we can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, so I don't. So today, (2:30 p.m.). So unemployment, have it on card, and we have it. So now let me quickly give us the breakdown. For the result when it come out, and so that we know how to position ourselves. I'll be talking about the dollar position. Number one, we have 3. Now, average hour earning, we have forecast to be 0.3. If we let's look at the previous, for the past 3 months, this has been positive. And it also says change excluding the farming industry. Actual greater than forecast is good for the currency. What does mean? 0.3%, 0.4. That was 4. So the same thing, 0.3 now. So if we have actual, which is at 2:30, if we have it as 0.4, 0.5, which give us green, it means that it's good for the currency. That is positive. But if the actual come lesser, 0.3, it will be red. It means that it's bad for the currency. Then no unemployment change. Let's check the previous results. The forecast was 218, and which is greater. Now, today, forecast is 164. We are expecting a better result. So a higher result, which says that a change actual greater than forecast is then rate. This is the target. Sorry for the interfering network. Share again. So this is determined by the rate of unemployment in the country. Previous one was bad, which means the rate of unemployment in US was high, so it came negative. But today, forecast as 4.2. If actual came out maybe 4.4, 4.3, 4.5, it would be good. Now, this theory explained only to us, which we need to take notes. out, if the result came out, if this 3 is green, if this 3 is green, we're going to have one-sided results, which means US dollar, USD is going to be strong. There will not be a spike. If the 3 came out positive and they are green, there will not be spike, which means that Euro USD, it will sell, there will not be spike first before it go one direction. It will, and also, if the 3 came out negative, 1, 2, 3 is red, dollar will be weak. And we have, for example, like gold will fly up. GBP USD will go up. Euro will go up. There will not be spike. But if you have 1, 2 green and the last one is red, it can cause a little spike that we have the market first, Euro USD, for example, first go up, but later it will now begin to sell, maybe around from 3 p.m., 4 p.m., when the market is settled. Now, the market will now find its balance and now begin to sell because we have 2 positive and 1 negative. But if we have, that is an imbalance. We don't be going zigzag, zigzag. We don't like to spend, why I don't like to do pending order is because we don't know where the result will, what the result will say. It can give a spike. For example, if you set a buy limit and it says limits, and so, and hit your stop loss, I'm not trading news. Only I'm a technical trader. After the news, we now find a balance that, okay, the market will only find a balance after the news, and that's what we want to trade in the direction of the news. So hope that is clear. Now, on Tuesday, Wednesday, is that Wednesday, during a live call. So I'm starting with USD CAD. During a live session like this, I call out this USD CAD that we should buy, that we should delete our previous sell limit that was around here, that we should buy. So I bought and I'm still on trade. Now, currently the news is coming. Now, I'm not leaving my trade. Technical analysis says that USD CAD, we are bullishing on USD CAD, and I'm looking like 300 pips for this guy to go. Now, technically, I am bullish on USD CAD. The news, if the news against dollar, check as long as if the news, let's say the news is a good, and by 10 p.m. today, and by 10, we will not see a daily candle close below this low, which is below 1.436. I will still remain bullish on my USD CAD. But currently, to safeguard what I just did is to do what? Is what we call break even. I only move my stop loss. Please, you are on this trade on USD CAD that you enter with me. All you can do is just to break even. So in case back, it will not have you negative. They take you out, Then by Monday, you can reposition yourself and enter again as long as the price is still above 1.3380. So, and if the favor us, if USD, we can see this market swing break. There's a liquidity that I'm sure that price will break this place. This double top is a liquidity. Price will take it out. Then maybe by next week, we'll be heading to our 300 pips. So I am holding on my USD card trade, but I have break even. That is one. Then two, GBP USD, I have a sell limit on GBP USD. As we have analyzed yesterday, I said that I am super bearish on GBP USD and Euro USD. And I gave us the reason why I am bearish. As long price is below this resistance, which is 1.2476, and below this trend line. This is a trend line that connects from 2002. This 2002 trend line. You can see our price break close below the trend line, and it retested a weekly basis. The trend line was retested, sold off, right? So as long as these two, the trend line below this support, then I am bearish. Odds make me to have my sell limits on US. Yeah, I have told us I have a prior entry here and took out my profit here, hit my TP. Now we have another word, break of structure. This is another break of structure, this high and this low. So I have my sell limits. So the news can do two things. I love this sell limit. I think it's far. So if the news is against dollar, if you do a spike, it will be a good, it can activate us. So now, I am not panic about the news. If it comes, boom, if it boosts up, let's see how this trade will run. So I have my entry position here. I think for the sake of those that we have taken our time to join this live session, my entry position is on GBP USD is 1.24756. My entry is 1.24756. And my stop loss is at 1.25732. 1.257. Profit now is 1.22345. 1.22345. That will give me about 2.4 arrow trade. I'm risking 97 pips and to win 241 pips. So if you go that way, risking 1% of my account, then securing about 2.4% of my account. So we have that trade as a pending order. I don't know when we're going to activate. It may be next week, maybe today. I don't know, but I have set a pending order on that trade.
Please, can you call that again? That GPP. Sorry. I was
okay, maybe I should write it out.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Coin.
GBP USD.
Yes.
I'm writing it out.
Okay.
Sell limit. EP 1.24756. SL 1, sorry. SL is 1.25732. and TP 1.22345. So this is forecast for my entry, my
So
limit
it's a
order
sell, sir.
for. Can you see that?
So it's a sell, sir. Sell limit.
It's
Okay.
a sell limit.
Okay. Get you. I get you.
Okay, sell limit. So quick one, we have some trade that's still running. Let me quickly talk about those trades, then we move up. And everyone, GBPNZD, everyone that take that trade with me, when I call it on Tuesday on our live session, we are currently on profits in this trade. So the GBPNZD, I know some people took it during a live session like this.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, are you on profit?
Yes, sir. We did, sir.
I've got MFT.
Yes, we are on profit.
All right, that is good.
Nice
That's what I want
profit.
to hear. So I'm still holding my
Nice.
trade. Now, the news is coming. We don't know what will happen about the news. But what we can do is, I'm not breaking even though, because it's not in the position for me to break even. So what I will do is I will just leave my trade and follow my technical analysis, because technical says based on what is here, looking at price,
that wasn't doing too well.
Yeah, exactly.
this
When
guy
I
has
was doing too well,
caused
I
a
had a
liquidity.
commercial psychologist. So I told this person online that this was happening, and
So we have a liquidity, trend line is a liquidity, and is that trend line still holding price? So we just hope that by next week, we should have price breakout and begin to ride up to our destination. So I just want to talk about this. We are not touching it. Let's see what will happen. The news, I don't care whatever the news says. My stop loss is here. But I don't think that news should affect GPP and NZD. So that is one. I did not call this one out, but I'm also on this trade. I'm also on this, but this one is, you can't enter now. It's late. I did not call this out, but these are also the trade that I'm in. So I'm just showing us for transparency's sake that whatever I do, I teach. So so this one is already on, but after the news, if there's a need for us to enter, I will send it on the. So now let's now go back to what we should be expecting. Then I will cross out some after the news. I will give us some position, some pending order position for us to we can set down. So gold, I think this week alone I've made like 500 pips on gold. Yes, this was my entry. Break of structure to the upside, my entry and my TP got it. In fact, it had even surpassed my TP. So now, but where gold is now? If we have, so everybody that is buying gold, be careful. We are coming to a critical area on gold. When you look at this trend line, this is the top, this is the overall high on gold, touching with this second trend line. So this may not be a perfect trend line, but for being a daily trend line, I think it has a very high impact to whole price. So price now is touching the trend line. So that can give us a roll. If you look at here now, I mark out some here. There's a liquidity here. Meanwhile, a course will be coming on this liquidity, how to understand liquidity in trading. So I will let us know when that course is finally ready. Because you need to understand the concept of liquidity. It will help you. So now, if this guy fail, if dollar strong, then we can have gold rolling down at it somewhere like this place, or even break here and come back here. So this is what I want us to do. Let's go to 4 hours. Already, you already see a rejection on 4 hours. The price is strongly to do what? To break out, rejecting the trend line and hitting a resistance. So I will not place at all is very a very key area. So this place is a very key area. Now we need price to do what? To break out. A breakout, a daily close of below this resistance. To look for a set, and all this low. So by structural base, I think we should expect a pullback on gold because of this high gold to do what? To break down. For me, below, that should be below 2665. Then maybe from there I'll be looking for a sell opportunity. And if you want to sell here, maybe after the news, because we don't know what the news will happen. In fact, we have 1 minute. This will go on the news. I think we should pause now and see. Now, it's like network is not working. My chat is seized. Is it the news? Please, you can check on your hand. Can somebody hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
check
sir.
on your hand. My chat is seized. The news should be out by now. What's going on? You don't need a report.
No, we can't see the news, sir.
Check your phone. You can check your phone. Check your chat.
Okay.
Maybe it's my network. Check
It's your
chat.
network, sir.
News is good for dollar.
It's good for dollar, right?
Yes, sir.
Please, can you go to, I don't know why my chat sizzle. Let me check. Let's check Forex Factory. Whoa. Whoa,
Okay.
this is okay. Wow. So we have the first one came as neutral. Then we have the rest one. So this news is good for dollar, guys. Why is my chat seized? What's going on here?
It's the network, sir. It's the network.
Is it network?
I think it's the network. Network,
This
sir.
now. Why network doing this? Let me check my MT4 if it's network or not. The trade. What's going on there? Okay, so we know it affect to Oh, it affects, it affects. My chart is, wow, wow. It, it affects it because I can see now that a serious, oh, you have, you have, you can go and check your chart before the, imagine you do the, you can see, if you go to USD card 1 hour or your reason why you should not do buy limit and sell limit a week down, then to buy back. So why is it now net? Massively and on that trade. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. We can hear your voice.
sir, we are
Trade,
hearing
which
your
trade are
voice.
you?
I'm on GU.
Let me load this chart. Let me see. Let me send out from
You said
TradingView and reload it. Maybe it's TradingView that is. I don't know why it's hung. My Euro USD trade. I think I mentioned this during the live session. He has done. Oh, see DSY. Whoa. Ah, wow, 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 wow. This is awesome. This is awesome. I told you to be a bomber average. It did not give me chance now. I will come for us before we go. Then we can meet again next week. So USD card. Let's see USD card. Wow, don't know. So, okay, maybe I'll just call this position for us. Okay. So the USD card. USD card is doing well. I think since I want to see, okay, what is dollars? What is cards results? Oh, we also have cards. We also have card came out strong. So we also have cards. We also have cards came out strong. So now US is strong. Positive card is positive. So what will happen here now is that will not determine the movement and the direction which the trade will go. Since we have the news positive on card and positive on dollar. So now the technical will now determine which direction the trade will go. So let's see gold. Let me go gold. SAUUSD. SAUUSD. The network is so, whoa. You see now. Please, can you see the screen? Hello, can you see the screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay, so now gold, like I have forecast, so we have gold now. If we have gold close, please, maybe next week, I think by the time we come on Monday, we should have a position. So now we are waiting for, you can see that gold is rejecting back from these supports that I measured. You can see, immediately touch it, bounce back. So we need what? A daily close. A daily close here on gold. If we get a daily close, so that will give us an entry to sell. Then we can now sell maybe to any of these targets here or to anywhere. So we're going to have, now that gold is already hitting a daily, is rejecting from this daily trend line, refuse to break. So whatever that make gold, if you close above this trend line and above this 2670, let's assume this is what I'm saying. This if gold close above here, then it will open to this next place. So if you go close there, if you close above that trend line, then this play will be a target. So let's go to 4 hours. So, but if you close below this low, which is 2665, then by next week, we are looking for a sell opportunity that will take us there, that will make us to ride. And if you look at it, if you want to use Fibonacci level to determine our profit, right? We have a break of structure from here, then from this high to this high. So, which means if we had anything sell, we can hold our price, I think, to 71 or 61 place to sell to. So we'll be looking for, it depends how price close today. Don't quickly jump. I know somebody will go to 15 minutes now. I begin to look for, so you can see now even on 15 minutes, it's just, look at this week, it's up and down. So we need the market to settle down and to have a bigger short on gold. So I will update us on Monday during live session, the development on gold. So let's go back to other Don't know why here it's not loading. So let me use. So let's say our GBP USD. Gosh, GBP USD is not coming our way. It's not coming our way. But let's see. The market has not closed. Don't sell, please. Don't sell. It's too low for you to sell. Don't sell. Before you sell, you need a pullback. We need a pullback to sell, which means a correction. You sell at correction leg. You don't say because it's selling now, jump enter. You can enter now, the thing begin to go back again. So I will give us an update when to sell. Then Euro USD. So let me use Euro USD. Wow, I have a position here. I think.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, our GBP USD, you said we should not sell.
Don't sell. Leave the pending order. Leave the pending order. What
Okay.
means that the way it's moving now, some people want to jump, enter, and sell. Don't sell now. Leave it.
Okay,
Just
sir.
leave
Okay,
your
sir.
pending order.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So I have trade. I also analyze these guys since on Monday that as long as Euro USD is below this resistance that all we should looking for is, I analyze it, though I did not call the entry out, but I took it. I think my entry was there. And now I think the thing is I'm currently a profit in one of my accounts. So this is a nice ride. So USD cards, let's go back. Let's see. So this one is just doing it. You can see throw weak, throw up, throw weak, throw up. But at the end of the day, I still believe dollar card is also strong. So let's see how by next week I can still believe that we will have price pushing up, especially this liquidity here we have here. So I still believe that price will take out this liquidity. So what other? Our GBP SZD. Let's see the results after the news. Oh, the news shake the market. It shake us. The news shake us, but it's not in our entry. It's not yet in our entry. So we still believe that the market will still, by next week, this guy will buy back. So don't panic. So yes, let's go at GBP card. I have a position which I'd like to share with us. Okay. Now GBP card, looking at from daily time frame. So this one is going to be a long trade. Wow. So you can okay, quickly do a sell limit, a buy limit on this. Let me write it out. I have a buy limit on GBP card. So please make sure your risk is, you are not risking too much. GBP card, buy limit. Entry price is 1.74813. Stop loss 1.74625. Then TP. We are targeting about 7-hour trade. So our TP is 1.7972725. So The stop loss is 60 pips. So if you have $100 account or $50, anything from your $30 to $100, use 0.01 on this trade. Do anything above $100 can use 0.02. So if you use 0.01, if this hit your stop loss, that is $6. So that is GBP card. Let me delete this. So that's, I have analyzed it today. We have a gap. We have a gap here. You can see this gap between this candle and this candle. It's called a liquidity void. Price will come, and this is our last order block. So hoping that the price will tap into this order block and give us trade. So on daily, if we look at it on daily, we have a very clear break of structure. We have a break of structure to the upside on daily. So that's our break of structure. So we have our BOS there. So, and looking at the other block here, I think there's no, so you can see massive. So what that trade again that we can see. So nothing, our eyes on gold. We are looking for a sell on gold later. Wow. Guy, you see why you should not chase price? You see the reason why it's not. I was selling that time. It has returned. So the market is not stable. It is not stable at all. The market. We don't have, today's Friday, so by Monday again, we'll look at, by that time, market will have stable and we'll look at other opportunity. So let me quickly unshare and share MT5 for synthetics. While I'm encouraging some of us that we need to fund our accounts on synthetics. So I have this trade running on synthetics. I think I posted it on the group. So you can see 2 days ago, what we do is a synthetic. I call buy on volume 60, and I wrote this buy. I think I got out here on this place. So now today, I think yesterday. So I'm riding this synthetic again, and let me show you that what's going on the account. Though I don't like showing results, but just to know that this is a live account. This account was $100, $109 when I called for this guy. Yesterday, I withdraw $20. I think I took it from that 109 since on down Tuesday. Is it on Tuesday or Wednesday we do? No, on Wednesday. We do synthetic on Wednesday. When I call buy on this guy, 109 to about 170. So I withdraw 20 at 140. So trade that is running. So this is a trade running on this account now. the same volume 60. So that's why I said the minimum you can fund your account, if I will recommend $200. Once you have $100 and above on your synthetic account, please do let me know. So that please don't take any synthetic account below $100. Please
Okay, sir.
don't take it, so that because in the day that we will lose trade, the day that we will look straight, so that your account will not just wipe out. So I always say realities. So guys, thank you for joining, for tuning today. Guys, go and fund your account. Open your account to WellTrade. If you are not WellTrade, a lot to catch up this year, a lot of money to be made. I tell you, I'm here to guide everybody free of charge, direct us, call trade opportunity, call signals, and everything. So just open your account with WellTrade, and you can chat me up. So those all that watch us on YouTube, so we'll send the link where you can open your account, and we'll have a good ride. So thank you for tuning today.
Thank you, sir.
Any other signals that will come up, it will be in our VIP signal. I think I push us straight on the VIP Telegram today. So if you are not yet on our VIP Telegram, you need to have what will take you. We are not charging you for any signal money. Fund your account with our recommended broker WellTrade. Chat me up. I will send you a link to open an account. Then fund your account with $100. Then we continue
Hello,
from
Mr. Val.
I'm going to see
Hello.
all my trade and everything. Yes,
Hello,
I can
Mr.
hear
Val.
you.
Yeah, but I've been sending you messages. You have not incorporated me. You've not incorporated me.
Please
found
chat me
the
after the class. I will attend to it. I'm maybe I not see it. So
Okay, your direct line or huh? Hello. What's in the happen? Hello. You can actually chat him. He said you should chat him.
I will do so. Okay. The meeting don't close. Oga himself. Oga Lele. Oga Lele.